Hello, this is Hanno Mäkiö and I'm going to show you how to use Geogebra to find out how many solutions the following equation has. This equation here depends on parameter k, and the first way to solve this problem is that I make a slider for k and rename it this for k, and it's okay to have it from -5 to 5, and then I write the equation for f, the left hand side of this equation. So there is my f, and now when I change the value of k from the slider, I first look the overall picture. What does this graph look like? First, it's a parabola opening up, and then here it opens down, and here at what k is -3, something strange happens. If I zoom out, it looks like a line. Why is this? If k is -3, then the function f is no longer second order polynomial. The coefficient here of x to the square is called k plus 3, so if I plug this -3 there, it will be 0 times x to the power of 2, and it will be only a first order polynomial. So this is something we have to remember. If k is -3, there is only one solution. So what is other points for only one solution? Almost there. It looks like k is 3.45. There is one solution. If k is bigger than that, the graph doesn't hit the x-axis, so equation doesn't have any solution. And then from this 3.45, if k is less than that, there will be two solutions under this -3. There's only one solution. When k is less than -3, the parabola opens down, and there will be two solutions until here looks like it has one solution at -3.45, and if k is less than that, no solutions. But here the slider, with slider, I cannot be sure what is the answer. So next I'm going to use a CAS to look up how to do this more exactly. So I solve this equation right here with k. Oh, but I forgot. I'm already using k, so I rename the parameter here as a. So I can have both this investigation here and then what happens in CAS. So I solve this equation for x, and what do I get? I get, looks like two solutions, but then I have to remember that if this equation under the square root is 0, then there will be only one solution. If it's negative, then it's no solutions at all. and if this minus a to the square plus 12 will be positive, it will be 2 solutions. So let's find out when there will be 2 solutions. Oh, I forgot to hit the solve button. For these values of a, there will be 2 solutions. The discriminant of this equation is positive, then we have copy this and so forth. When it will be 0, at these values of a, there will be only 1 solution. These were the hard parts with the slider, and now I want to solve this numerically also and find out if I was close to moving here. Good enough. And then the last part was 2 solutions, 1 solution, and then there will be last one, no solution at all. Was if this was negative, and solve for that. Now I have the answer. And finally I can write down what the answer was. I got that there will be 1 solution when k is minus 3, or when k is plus or minus 2 times square root of 3, and no solutions for these values here, and 2 solutions from this here, but I have to remember that k cannot be minus 3 because then it was only first order polynomial. And now I'm ready. Thank you.